How to upload files via the cPanel File Manager. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Now go to the Files section and click File Manager. There is a list of file directories. You can select one of the directories to save your files. For example, click Public HTML to open it in the adjoining window. Now click Upload. You can either drag and drop the file inside the rectangular box or click the Select File button. That's it. We have successfully uploaded the file using cPanel File Manager. Now you can go to the public HTML directory inside the File Manager to see the uploaded file. Now you know how to upload files in cPanel. Thank you for watching.